What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up payment method on Wix.com. So first of all, to set up payment method, you either go to setup like so, and from here you set up your payment method, or you go to getting paid tab, and here as you can see you can connect your payment method. So let's do it. We're gonna click on it. Now you have a lot of options. You can use Stripe, PayPal, or manual payment, or you have more payments option to choose from. For example, let's go with PayPal. And now what you need to do is to enter your PayPal account email in the form below right here, and then connect to it. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.